For this example, we are going to evaluate the following expressions using the order of operation. Another way we call PEMDAS. P as the parenthesis or the grouping symbol. E as the exponent or the power. M as the multiplication. D as the division. A as addition. And S as subtraction. If we have multiplication and division occurs in the same expression, we're going to do from left to right, similar to A and S or addition and subtraction. So we pair them up, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. From part A, we have the expression 4 minus 6 over 2 plus the cube root of 8. We're going to simplify each term before we simplify the whole expression. 6 over 2, that is 3. The cube root of 8, that is 2. Now we have the addition and subtraction. We're going to do from the left to the right. 4 minus 3, that's 1. And then plus 2. The final result is 3. Next, part B, we have the expression 3 times 4 minus 2 to the power 3 plus the quantity negative 8 to the power 2 divided by 4. We have the multiplication, subtraction, addition, division, and also the power or the exponent. So we're going to start from working on the exponent. The exponent 2 to the third, which is 2 times 2 times 2, or the value 8 with a negative sign in the front. And negative 8 to the power 2, that's negative 8 times negative 8, that becomes 64. And then simplify the 3 times 4, that's 12, minus 8 plus 64 divided by 4. When they are multiplication, addition, subtraction all together or occur at the same time in the same expression, we're going to do as an order of operation. Multiplication, division will occur before addition and subtraction. So then we're going to work on 64 divided by 4. That turns out to be 16. Now we have 12 minus 8 plus 16. And next we're going to do from the left to right. 12 minus 8, that's 4. 4 plus 16, that becomes 20 as a result for this expression. The last example, we have the quotient of 8 minus 3 times 4 minus 5, all divided by negative 2 times the quantity, negative 7 minus 6 divided by the quantity 1 plus 2. We have the grouping symbol, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. We're going to do in order. Starting with the grouping symbol, we have the group inside of the group. So we're going to take care of the 1 plus 2, which is 3 of the denominator. Negative 2, negative 7 minus 6 divided by 3. The numerator as 8 minus 3 times 4 minus 5. For the numerator, we have the product and the subtraction. We work on the product first. The product, which is 12, or 3 times 2 is 12. Now we have 8 minus 12 minus 5. It becomes 8 minus 12, which is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 5 becomes minus 9. And divided by negative 2 times, in the parentheses, we have subtraction and division. We're going to work on division first. So negative 6 divided by 3, that is negative 2. Now inside of the parentheses of the denominator becomes negative 7 minus 2. And then simplify it again. The numerator negative 9, denominator is negative 2 times negative 9. As we see negative 9 and negative 9 as a factor that we can reduce, therefore the result is negative 1 over 2. For example 3, we are going to evaluate the following expressions for the given values of the variables. The expression provided in the terms of x, y, and z, given the value as x equals -2, y equals -1, and z equals 5. So we're going to replace x with the value -2, y with the value -1, and z with the value 5. And then we simplify the expression. So absolute value, x as -2 plus 9 times y, which is -1, minus the quantity 5 times z, which is 5, and then plus 6, and use the order of operation of PEMDAS to simplify, to evaluate and simplify the numbers. We have the grouping symbols. See the first group, absolute value of -2 plus 9 times -1, which is -9, subtracted by the second group, 5 times 5, that is 25, plus 6. Inside of the absolute value, -2 minus 9, that is -11, subtracted by 25 plus 6, that becomes 31. And now simplify absolute value of -11. Recall the absolute value of negative value, or absolute value of a is -a for a is less than 0, or when a is negative, the absolute value turns out to be positive, or we disregard the negative sign. Therefore, the absolute value of -11 is just 11, and then subtracted by 31, the result is -20. Similarly, the second example, or example B, replace x with the value 30. So square root 30 minus 5, subtracted by 5 times y to the third, where y is -2. So we raise -2 to the third power. Work on the grouping symbol or the expression under the radical. 30 minus 5, that is 25, subtracted by 5 times -2 to the third power. Recall -2 to the third, that means -2 times -2 times -2, or -2 times itself 3 times, result -8. Therefore, we have 5 times -8 for the second term. Next, simplify. The square root of 25 is 5. Subtracted by 5 times 8, at -40. And then simplify the numbers to be 4 times 5, that's 20. Negative becomes positive. The result is 60 for this example.